Anisha Mathur has more. Anisha, the Supreme Court extremely upset over the Madras High Court's order. The Madurai bench, which had particularly spoken about, an SIT probe in this. What else has the court said? Tell us more.
Well, Sneha, this is a very important case. This is a very interesting verdict that has been passed by the Supreme Court. On one hand, of course, the investigation has been handed over to the CBI with a retired Supreme Court judge heading a three-member inquiry committee, which will be monitoring the CBI inquiry as well as other issues that have arisen from this. In fact, the court has questioned what the Madras High Court has done, how exactly were two separate benches of the High Court, one in Chennai, the single judge bench, and one in Madurai, the two judges bench, how were both benches hearing this matter simultaneously? In fact, the Chennai bench, which is headed by a single judge, has been wrapped by the court, which has questioned. Justice Maheshwari during the open court matter has said when investigation was at nascent stage, single judge passed observations regarding investigation, single judge order prima facie indicates lack of sensitivity. He has also said that why were petitions why were orders passed for an SIT inquiry when the petition before the Chennai bench, the single judge bench, was hearing only and only a petition seeking SOPs for public rallies by political parties. How exactly did the judge expand the scope of that petition? Then the allegations raised about the impartiality of investigation were not fairly dealt with by the High Court bench. This is a very, very scathing observation coming in from the Supreme Court, which has said that it is a matter of concern how the Madras High Court passed these orders, and therefore this Registrar General Judicial of the Madras High Court has been asked to file a report before the Supreme Court on how these matters were listed before two separate benches, one in Chennai, one in Madurai. How exactly were these petitions listed before the Chennai bench at all when the Madurai bench was hearing these matters? And the court has said we will consider all of these issues.